So you're a photographer and you're wondering, hey, this real estate photography stuff looks interesting. Was it hard to do? Well, let me tell you in this video. Hello, I'm Prokop and welcome to my channel. Today we're answering the question, is real estate photography hard? Well, the short answer is that it can be challenging, but it's also a skill that can be learned and improved upon practice. First, let's define real estate photography. This is the process of taking photographs of properties, typically for marketing and advertising purposes. This includes interiors, exteriors of the homes, it can be commercial buildings, or other type of properties. What makes real estate photography challenging? One of the main challenges is to capture the property in a way that showcases its best features and makes it appealing to potential buyers or renters. This requires a good eye for composition and lighting, as well as the ability to use your camera equipment effectively. Another challenge is that you often need to work in tight deadlines and may need to be flexible with your schedule to accommodate the needs of your clients. Additionally, you may need to work quickly and efficiently in order to capture all the necessary shots in the shortest amount of time. Finally, real estate photography can be physically demanding. You'll need to carry heavy equipment such as a tripod, lenses, your camera. You'll be needed to work in tight spaces, navigate stairs, or work on uneven terrain. Despite all these challenges, real estate photography can be a rewarding and satisfying career for those who are passionate about it. With practice and dedication, you can develop the skills and expertise needed to excel in this field. So to sum it up, is real estate photography hard? It can be challenging, but with the right approach and a willingness to learn, it's a skill that can be mastered. Thanks for watching. I'm Prokop, and if you have any questions about real estate photography, be sure to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.